Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Plum Paper vertical columns that I am going to be using as a social media planner. And I thought that I would use Rongrong's You Go Girl sticker book, and this actually just launched, so make sure that you guys check out the link in the description box below and use code Stephany10. That way you guys can save some money on your purchase. So I just feel like this one is a perfect sticker book for the week of New Year's. So I'm excited to be using this one, and I think it is just so pretty and fun. I do have a flip through of the sticker book and a setup of my Plum Paper planner. So it's very quick and it's a quick walkthrough as well. So those videos will be linked down in the description box below as well. So what I actually ended up doing is grabbing my Rongrong sticker album and grabbing some of the stickers that I want to use, because I'm going to be doing a little bit more work than I usually do, because Plum Paper does this thing where they shade out the end of the month and the beginning of the new month. So I definitely want everything to look cohesive, and I just think that this sticker book is so fun, so I did want to add fun colors as well. So what I'm going to be doing first is actually using my brand new washi strip that is actually thinner than your normal washi strip. So I believe this one is 8 millimeters, and this is just going to be perfect to cover up this little strip right here. So I just want all of the color to be just one color instead of shaded out. So I think that this is like the perfect way to do that. So trim here. Uh-oh. I gotta put a little bit more pressure. I'm just always afraid that I'm going to rip the page. That's why I don't add too much pressure, but I think we're going to be okay if I do. So then here we go. There. Now it's not shaded out. So then let's do this side as well. Okay. So there and there. Perfect. Okay, so pretty. I think that looks so well. So now I do want to grab those stickers that I did. So I just went ahead and used colorful boxes and some date stickers as well. And then these ones are just going to cover up that gray shading that's up there. Yeah. Do I want it to touch? I think I'm just going to go up just a little bit. But then I have to worry about it like lining up with the rest of them. But let's go ahead and just try it out. And I love the sticker book from, well, not sticker book, but sticker album from Rongrong, just because it's like great for traveling. Like if you're traveling and you don't want to take all of your 50,000 sticker books, you can just pick and choose and have those stickers with you, instead of taking like a whole sticker pack or a whole sticker book. Yeah. Okay, so I don't think that that's too straight. Okay, so a little bit better, right? Okay, we're not going to worry too much about that. So yeah, while you guys are picking up your You Go Girl sticker book, you may want to pick up her sticker album as well. I ended up taking that with me to go wild, because I ended up taking a few stickers, so it was just so perfect for that. Okay, I think I want to do it this way, so maybe I can do it straighter. And then Saturday and Sunday. I just think that these colors are going to match so well with the stickers. So let's see. I think it's gonna look good. Okay, so there we go. So now I think I want to go ahead and add my little script stickers up there. So we did cover up the to-do. So now I want to add it back on. So I have my Simply Smith stickers here, and all of the shops will be linked down below. So yeah, so see, there we go. We ended up covering up the dates and the headers, but we are adding them back on, which is completely okay. So I don't always do this, but when it's like graded out like that and it is going to bother me, I will just go ahead and cover it up. And it's not a big deal because then we add more color and it's just so much more fun. Okay, so Saturday and Sunday. Okay, perfect. So there we go. Not too bad. And let's go back to the stickers that I pre-selected. Okay, so what I think that I want to do, okay, so I picked up this one and I want to add it over here. It is like the perfect sticker for here. Trying to get it straight. Okay, there we go. So we're off to a great start. So I thought that I would use these boxes to indicate my videos. So let's see. So I don't know. I'm trying to see before I place those boxes down where I would like to add one of these fashion girls. So maybe one could go here. I don't think I want to do it down here just because this sticker is here. So maybe I can place it right here, right? And then maybe I could add a box. So I was thinking of adding one of these, but they already have a girl there. And this does have writing, so maybe one of these. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one. This one is the one that has like the least pattern up here. So I think it's gonna be perfect. So yeah, maybe something like that. So let's go ahead and place her down first, and then we can see where we put this box. Okay, so maybe right there. So she's not too straight, but it is okay. We're just gonna go with it. So that one could be Monday's video. And then maybe we can do this one down here. I'm trying to think, because I don't want it to look like there's a million boxes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one here. That would be Tuesday's video, and then, which is probably going to be this plan with me. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. So, okay, I think I'm gonna do the purple. Okay, so right there, and then I do want to add a cute little floral. So I think I'm going to do the opposite color. So I'm going to do a pink flower there, and then I'll do, no, I want to do a purple flower there, and then a pink flower here. Okay, so that's looking good. And then let's see about over here. So let's see, we did add the other fashion girl on the top left of the left page. So I'm thinking that maybe this one could go here. Okay, that looks good. And then did I want to do this quote? So I want to do a quote and I want to add those florals. So maybe I could do the florals on the left-hand page. Maybe that could look cute. Okay, so that looks good. Maybe I can add another floral here. So let's add this one down here at the bottom. Okay, so not too bad. Let's go over here and add these. So what did we have over here? So we ended with this one. So now I want to do maybe this here. Let's go all the way to the top. So maybe that one there. And then I think we'll do this one. It's going to be a lot of boxes. And that's why sometimes I don't add a box for each day. I end up doing like a whole big box for all of the days. That way I can just like list them. So then maybe this one could go up here, and then the last one could go maybe right here. And if I end up not having a video out that day, I could either remove the sticker or just kind of work with it. So let's see. I do have these little florals. So I think I want to add this one because she does have like that yellow. And then how about we add this one? Maybe down here. Okay, so right there. Okay, so see how the dates and the washi strip are like blending in because that's the colors that we're using. So let's see this little coffee cup. Maybe we could put it off over here on the sidebar. And this sticker book is just so fun. It has lots of colors and just so perfect to set your 2023 goals. Whatever those may be. I think it is just so fun. So we ended up using all of the stickers that I pulled out. I think I want to go back and see if there's anything else that I wanted to add. So this could kind of be cute, like right here. But I did say that I may try putting some florals there. So let's go back to this and look how nice and vibrant and fun these stickers are. They are just so pretty. And then we do have some like alpha stickers and numbers as well. So such a fun book. So let's go to the florals. So we have this nice cute little one. Then we have this one, which is shorter than that one. I mean, we could always cut it, but still. Okay, so we have this like corner sticker, but it might be too big for this area. Let's see. Because we do have these other ones. And then single ones here. Okay, let me go back to the other one. So we have lots of fashion girls. Oh, look at this one. Is this smaller than the other one? I think it's going to be. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I think I want to use this one. I just don't want it to take up a whole lot of space. Okay, so look at that. I think that looks so pretty. And it's definitely better than that big one because that still leaves me room to write right here. And it didn't take up too much space there or here. So yeah, I love that. Anything else? Let's go back to those paper flowers. These ones right here. I think I may want to add one over here. So it does have purple. Yeah, let's add this pink one. Oh, actually, here are the glasses. I didn't even use them. So maybe right here, and then let's see about these glasses. Maybe here. Yeah, why not? Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, so yeah, I think this looks great. I am really loving the colors. I think they're fun, and just the whole vibe of this sticker book. I think it is perfect for 2023. So make sure that you guys check out Rongrong and maybe even add a sticker album to your purchase, and don't forget to use code Stephany10 so you guys can save money on your purchase. But I think for now I am done. This looks so pretty. I love the florals. The colors are just so fun, and I cannot wait to start writing in this. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephany Happily Plans, and I'll see you next time.